Hi, Judge.
Hi, hi, sir. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you perfectly. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. This is 240-830, 240-831, and 240-832, the people versus Edgardo Rivas Villanueva. Sir, you are charged today with 3 misdemeanors. Can you tell me how old you are, sir?
I'm 62 years old. You know, I'm remorsing myself. I'm even gonna move. Once I get out of here, I'm gonna move. Yeah, I can't take this no more because I'm not the type of person they keep calling cops and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Right here, you can sense Judge Shackelford trying to keep control of the courtroom while still showing empathy. Notice how she keeps redirecting Mr. Rivas. That's not impatience. It's protection of his legal rights. She needs him calm enough to understand what's actually happening.
Okay,
You know, a lot of
Sir, listen to me though. I want to just tell you this. You have a right to an attorney, and it's my
Okay.
understanding an attorney tried to meet with you and you did not want to meet with him. Is that
Okay, okay. But I can get never mind. Okay, I got you.
All right, Mr. Rivas, no, listen to what my question is, because I
Yes,
need you to
yes.
answer me, okay?
Yes, I will.
You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one would be appointed to represent you. Mr. Gazicki, an attorney that does public defense work, tried to meet with you, and my understanding is you did not want to meet with him. Is that correct?
No, I don't even know who this Kaziki is.
There was an attorney that tried to talk to you, and I was told you did not want to talk with him. That you
Oh,
refused to-
oh, sorry. Yeah.
Stand up.
Oh, sorry, Your Honor. See, sometimes I forget because my anxiety kicks in.
It's okay. Just Mr. Rivas, just take a breath, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
Yes.
slow down. I'm not in that big of a rush. I want to make sure you understand what's happening.
Okay.
So my
Yes.
understanding is you did not want to meet with that lawyer. Is that correct? Yes
Yeah,
or no?
not right now. No. Yeah, that's correct.
All right. So Mr. Rivas, you have 3 counts here. I have to advise you of the charges against you. There's
Yes.
an allegation that you were at a property. Let me get through it, Mr. Rivas, or we'll be here all day. On 4/16/24, and the allegation is while you were at that location at that time and date, you were charged with 3 misdemeanors. Each of those misdemeanors is punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. There is a charge of indecent exposure, a charge of disturbing the peace.
Quick legal breakdown. When the judge says allegations, she's reminding him that these are not convictions. It's one of the most fundamental rights in our justice system. Innocent until proven guilty. But let me ask you, do you think most defendants really feel innocent in this moment or already judged?
And a charging with interference with the police authority. Do you understand that that is what they're alleging? That they're just allegations right now. Do you understand that?
What does allegations mean?
Allegation means you are innocent until you're proven guilty.
Okay, thank
right?
you.
So you're not convicted. They're just allegations that you did something wrong. And the people have to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt.
Okay.
Got me?
Thank you.
Okay. All right, sir. I have to tell you some rights you have, okay? You've been brought to court on 3 misdemeanor charges, and you have the following basic rights, sir.
Okay.
You could plead guilty or not guilty, or you could stand mute. And stand mute means you just don't say anything, okay? And if you stand mute, I will enter a not guilty plea for you.
Okay.
You could also plead no contest with permission of the court. You also have a right to trial by a jury, and you have the right to assistance of an attorney. Do you understand all of that?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, if you could not afford a lawyer, the court would give you a free lawyer. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Okay. A few more things. We're almost there, Mr. Rivas.
Okay.
All right. You also have a right to a trial. And at that trial, you would have the following basic rights. You have a right to call witnesses to speak for you at that trial, and I would sign subpoenas to help you get witnesses to court. You
Okay.
also have a right to see, hear, and question all of the witnesses against you.
Okay.
You also have the right to remain silent, and if you chose to be silent and not take the witness stand, the prosecuting official, the prosecutor, could not comment on your silence. Do you understand me?
Not really. Not really.
Okay.
Say it again?
What that means is you have a right to not say anything. You
Oh,
have
okay.
no-
Now I understand.
Yeah, sir, you don't have to do anything. The government has to prove that you committed a crime.
Okay.
And the fact that you do not talk can't be used to say, well, why won't he tell us what happened then?
Mhm.
You do not have to say anything. You do not have a burden, the government does. Does that make sense?
I think so. I don't. I think so.
Okay. And like I said before, sir, you have a right to be presumed innocent. As you stand before me right now, you are innocent of these charges. And
Thank you.
you must be proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
This is one of those rare courtroom moments where compassion meets justice. The judge gives him a personal bond, meaning he's released without paying cash, but also lays out clear rules. You can hear her balancing firmness and care. What do you think? Did Judge Shackelford handle this perfectly, or should she have been tougher?
Okay? Now, I'm going to give you a second, sir, just because you don't have counsel and I can tell you're upset. You had to ask me something. Is there anything you need to ask?
Yeah, I can get a lawyer. Like you said, I can just come here and tell them that I need a lawyer.
Absolutely.
Okay. That was my question.
Yes. Just because you say you didn't want an attorney
Yeah.
today doesn't mean you can't have one later.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right. So, sir, as to the arraignment on these charges, remember I told you, you have three choices. You can plead guilty, you can plead not guilty, or you can say nothing, and I will assume that you're not guilty, okay? So I'm going to ask you right now, how do you plead to these charges?
Not guilty.
Not guilty pleas will be entered on all three files.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to give you a personal bond. You have no criminal history. I don't see anything. I mean, you're how old again?
I'm 62. I'm going to be 62 next year. Yeah.
Okay.
Judge, excuse me. This will never happen again. Believe me. Because I'm going
Well,
to.
Mr. Rivas, just take a breath. Okay,
Okay.
we're almost done.
Okay,
I'm
sorry.
going to give you a $1,000 personal bond on each case. That means you don't have to post $1. You're all set. But you have to
Thank
do
you,
these
Judge.
things. Yes, but you have to do these things for me.
Oh, I will do it.
Okay, you're to appear in court as directed. You're
Okay.
not to leave this, you cannot leave the state without asking permission by this court.
I will do
You
that.
cannot commit any crimes while you're released, and you must immediately notify this court if you change your address or phone number. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. How about if something happens to me? Like somebody.
I don't know what that,
Like if somebody, simply, right, like, somebody provokes me, I just call the cops, right?
if somebody provokes you, sir, you call the police,
Thank you.
okay?
Thank you.
You stay in your house and you call the police.
Thank you.
Got
I will
it?
do that from now on. I will do that from now on. Thank
Okay, sir.
Bye.
You have $1,000 personal bond on each of these cases. At that, I'm gonna have, the court will mail you a notice of your next court date. Mr.
Okay.
Rivas, if you
Yes.
do not receive that in the mail within the next 10 days, call the 23rd District Court or
Okay.
come up here so that you
I'll come
don't
up
get
here.
a bench warrant, okay?
Yes.
All right, sir.
You say $3,000. I don't have to pay that, right?
You know, it's a
No,
personal
thank
bond. You don't have to
If I
pay.
if I don't show up, If I don't show up, then I have to pay, right?
You don't have to pay anything, sir.
Oh,
You just
thank
need to show up to court.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, just take a breath. Make sure you show up on your court date or you will get in trouble.
I will.
All right.
I promise.
All right,
you that.
Mr. Rivas,
Thank
you're
you.
all set.
Thank
Take a
you very
breath.
much. You have a good day, okay? Appreciate
You
it.
too, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sorry.
All right, thank you. Okay,